Hello everyone. Today I'm starting WinCC OA script control language. Underneath this video, you are going to learning the essential control function that everyone must know. There are the functions you will use in every single project. Reading value, writing value, updating the UI. Reacting to that point change and debugging your script. By the end of this video, you will understand the foundation of WinCC OA scripting. You will be ready to build real logic in your panel. Let's get started. Before we jump into the function, let's quick look at the basic control syntax. Every script start with the main function. Is look at the computer C language. Okay, main function is the entry point. It has the price. You can write down your code in the price. Okay, look at here. Every statement has the end with the semicolon. And here, okay, semicolon. Comment, we use double slash or slash star, and the slash star is finished. It's just one sentence, one single line, use double slash is okay. But if your block, you use slash, it's a star, okay? Otherwise, every variable you have to declare is variable type, okay? And here x is an integer. It's MSG, it's the string, okay? It's a string, you show the quotation mark, you just string the text, you show the quotation mark, okay? In here, okay? Value, function definition, it's called here is value and integer. Value means no returned value to the call. Integer is function is just returned integer to the call. Here the calculate is value is on the integer of flow. Value means the no returned value to the call. Here look value calculate total. Integer A, integer B. Integer A, integer B is parameter. Calculator total is the function name. Value means no return to value to the call. Okay. Integer calculator total, integer A, integer B. That's me here written A plus B. Just A plus B returned to the call. Okay. So is the value and integer is the return type. This one's function name, okay, parameter. Parameter just import its value, go to this one, okay. It's value declaration type. Is value how integer value. Look here, integer. Count equal 10 is the semicolon. It's a float value, it's a string value, boolean, and tiny slash or tiny underscore is the star. That's mean it's this dynamic array, dynamic integer list. Okay, all the similar to the PLC. Now we start the essential control function. First is dpGet. dpGet function just read the data point value. Read the value from the database and store it in a variable. Look like here, string name is value is called dpGet is called exam dp value, this one dpE, okay, dp point is value dpE. Every script needs to read data from before doing anything else. Use dpGet everywhere for logic, condition, UI update, everything, okay? Second one is dpSet. Just write a data point value. Okay, just write value to a data point. Look like here, dpSet, example dp.value is 10. 10, just set 10 to the dp.value is dpE, okay? Every dpE, you have use quotation mark and use, okay? This dpSet just use for comment, button click, automation logic, and PLC communication. Third one is setValue. SetValue is update a widget on the panel. Just modify the widget property, for example, text, color, visibility. Here is setValue. Here is setValue is the text status. Here is the text is running, send to the text, okay? Or changing a color, setValue. Here is the background, back color is sent to the green, okay? This reactive status, this is the module is a back color, just green sent to the back color, okay? Get value, just read a widget property, okay? Its purpose get the current value from a widget string. String input, getting value. Look like here, text, send the text input, okay? Next one is dpConnect is very important, this function. Just react to value change, just this event-driven logic. Run a function automatically whenever a data point change, okay? Here is dpConnect. Is a value change sent to the example dp.value, this dpE, okay? This one, event-driven logic. This is very important. Every time we just use this dpConnect. dpBugIn function. This one just bring the message to the log. Is bring the debug message to the log view, okay? Look, his debug value is value here, okay? Now, we can use software to test some function. Okay, we create, okay, we can use button. We can display here something. Okay, we double click here. Now we write down function. We use debugIn. So first letter is capital D. Bug, last one is N. Okay. Then we write down. We use question mark. Question mark is hello. WinCC OA first script. That is save, check, and save. Now We can test it. Save in here. Then we go to here. Okay, so here is log vehicle. You can check here. Okay, display, click. Log. Hello. WinCC OA first script. Okay, that's it. Next, we use button, two button. The light to create that point. Light, initialize, changing color, front, background, all value dependent. Okay, is the switch, light, we choose flag. Here is 0, we can choose 0 is green, is 1, you can choose it's on red. Okay, finish. You can see here in red is complete. This one script. Okay, he used a lot of dpConnect. In here, he have dpExec. We never talk. Later we talk. Okay, a lot of stuff. Close. Now push button. We choose this one green. Name. So in here we can double click, that means click here, same thing, double click, we can write down its script here. We got dpSet, here dpSet. If you write down comment function, if your is right, should be green. Okay, if you're not green, just dark, that means wrong way. Price, we go to tools, we choose that point select, we choose this one, light, flag. Okay, and we write down true is green. Okay, save, we check. Okay, save, that's it. With red, similar, dp site. Okay, tools, that point. Flag, here is false. That's it. Okay, we can try save under this. Okay, right, that's it. So WinCC OA script, the keyword, just remember all the function is name, the sensitivity. Okay, here dpSet, dpGet. Okay, S is capital. dpValue is V is capital. Get value with dpConnect. C is capital. Debug D is capital. N is capital. Okay. Don't forget. Don't. Thank you very much.